Welcome to SkillsMax.Ai. Once you log into the platform, you'll land on your dashboard. Coding Assessment. In the Coding Assessment, you'll find scenario-based coding problems. You can read the problem description, choose the programming language you want to practice, and start writing your code directly in the editor. Once you complete your solution, click Run Code. The AI compiler evaluates your code and checks whether the solution is correct, identifies errors or logical issues, provides feedback to help you improve your coding skills. You can see Own Results under My Results option. Here, you can see a detailed view of your progress. In the My Results page, you can see a detailed breakdown of your performance for each question. It shows how you answered the question. If you want to view your progress in a graphical format, you can go to the Performance Overview section. Here, all your previous assessment results are displayed in a graph, making it easy to track your improvement over time.